Hey you guys, it's Yesenia. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super duper excited because, well, can you guess? Okay, let me stop. Okay, before I get started, before I start getting all over the place, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you want, and yeah, so let's get straight into this video. So as you guys know, me, my little brother and sister, we have currently moved, but we haven't been able to move into our new house. My mom and her boyfriend and my brother, they are there. They've been there for a good minute, but the reason we haven't been able to is because they've been having like the floors done. They were getting the floors done. Our rooms had to get new carpet in them, and all of the walls were getting painted and all of that, and they are finally done with all of that, so we can finally go home and I can finally start fixing my room, and I can't wait to do that with you guys. But I went ahead and went to the house already when they finished painting my room, and I kind of like started setting up my furniture the way I wanted to for my room. So you're gonna see like it's kind of like done a little bit, but I'm gonna show you guys in like another video of my like little room transformation and everything like that. So super excited because, as y'all know, we've been staying with my dad in his 1-bedroom apartment, which is fine. You know, we've drived each other crazy, me and the kids, all of that, but it was all fun. It was all fun, and the day is finally here, which is tomorrow, because that's the day we get to go home. And of course, before like we leave my dad's apartment, I want to get his apartment back into shape. You know, I don't want to just be like peace out and like leave his apartment how the kids and all of us left it, because honestly, since it's a 1-bedroom apartment, this apartment gets dirty so quick. I'm not even kidding. So I kind of gave up on cleaning it every single day, because it's literally every single day back to back. But you know, since we're leaving tomorrow, why not go ahead and give this house or give his apartment a little deep clean? That way it's nice and clean when we go, you know? So yeah, I want to show you guys a little before and after when I clean it. I think I'll do like a few time lapse from here to there, just because I've already done like a cleaning his apartment video, but I just want to show you guys like the before and after. And we also have to take our dog to the new house, and I have to take him to PetSmart tomorrow. so here's the after. I still have to do a few things like the floor and take out the dishes from the dishwasher. But I need to go ahead and pick up my little brother and sister from school. That I have to take tomorrow. I still have to vacuum. This, I'm gonna put the shoes like nice and neatly and put all of these boxes in there once I put some things that is in that closet that is ours in the car. And then the bathroom, we got it nice and clean. And then we got Hachi there, but the room is nice and clean. These are just like our bags and stuff. I'm gonna put it in my car tomorrow because I don't know what the kids are gonna wear for tomorrow. And yeah, this is so much better than before. And that's trash. I just have to throw that away. Alright, so here's an update from later on that day. I'm going to show you guys how I've been doing my sister's hair recently. She really likes for me to do her hair in the sink. And I really don't mind because I like doing stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to just show you guys how I do her shampoo and conditioner. Like if we were at a salon or something like that. I don't know. Okay, good. They get to see a little bit of what your crazy sister likes to do.
Should I do it sideways so they can see?
No, Valerie, leave it just how you were doing it. It was perfect. Okay?
I can't do this the whole time.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't. You know how I do it. I drop things.
Tina, your twinkle arms better hold on.
Bye-bye.
He is so excited, so we're taking him to PetSmart today. Go, Papa. to get nice and clean. Alright, so we are here at PetSmart. Hachi, you ready? He's like, get me the heck out of here. Alright, y'all, I look crazy because, you know, I was just cleaning for a bunch of hours. So now I'm at the kids' school waiting at the parking lot, and Hachi came out from the groomers, and look at this dude. Look at him. And he didn't let them cut his nails because he's traumatized, because ever since my dad tried to cut Hachi's toenails, he like started bleeding, so I guess he's like traumatized from that and doesn't let anybody cut his nails. What else? Oh, and he also he has like a lot of anxiety, so he was like freaking out when they were like drying him, and he's an Akita, so he sheds a lot, and he didn't even let them like finish doing that because he was like freaking out. Right, you big baby? People are like so intimidated by him, but like literally he's the biggest baby. He's like literally like so scary, but I love him. We've had him ever since he was little. I might put like pictures somewhere like on the screen for you guys. He was so tiny, and now he's like big and old, but I love my little old guy. Yeah. So after the kids finally get out of school, we're gonna go straight to the house. Update, he finally got comfortable, and right? So here is the house. It looks so much better than before with the new floor and everything like that. Here, let me scoot back for you guys can see. Ooh, looks so good. And I'm gonna show you guys my room. This is how I left my room the last time I left. And you know, I gotta clean and do all of that fun stuff. And still like unpack, and then this is the bathroom. I gotta organize my bathroom, and I look crazy. Alrighty, you guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I am almost done, not quite, but I will give you guys a room tour for sure. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day or night. Make sure to stay safe and healthy, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want. And yeah, I will see you guys the next time. Bye.